everyone, welcome on our channel Belly Babes, where you get the new footwear designs. So friends, today I have brought different type of shoes which you can use for winter season. And guys, these footwears are very soft, beautiful and practical footwear collection for women. Different kind of shoes, as well as guys sport shoes you can see without laces and with laces, and guys canvas shoes, derby, loafer shoes, belt shoes, ankle shoes, and guys high neck boot, check printed in different beautiful color, in pink color, blue color and black color. And guys floral printed shoes also you will see in this video, so keep watching till end so that you come to know about these all beautiful designs and styles of footwears which are easily available online. So guys, if you want to buy one of the pair out of this beautiful collection, so just go to the description box of this video and click on the site, because there is a site link given, and just you have to click on the site, then you can easily do shopping online yourself. So friends, if you like all videos of beautiful footwear collection on this most popular channel Belly Babes, then please one like for this video. And if you are new here in my channel, so please subscribe Belly Babes and press the bell icon button for getting notification of best new uploads. And friends, please share this beautiful collection with your friends and family members, as you know that every day I'm bringing a new collection of footwears for women. So friends, today you are watching new latest design of shoes, and some of these are in beautiful sandals which are in fashion, which are very soft, comfortable and new updated collection according to fashion. Different type of shoes, and some of these are in sandals with adjustable straps here in this collection. One of very supportive type of collection for all those people who are in search of very comfortable and very stylish type of easy to take on out of shoes here in this collection. I tried my best to bring all those designs which are in fashion, which are very practical and comfortable and fit collection for all age group people, and these are very comfortable for all age group people. These are very lightweighted, so very comfortable at workplace too, but these you can use anywhere, casually wear, formally wear, office wear. And guys, sports shoes which are you watching, you can use that shoes for gym regarding, and guys morning walk, evening walk. As you can see, colors of footwears are very bright and also have beautiful contrast, as you are watching check printed white, pink and purple, and this is blue multi color. And this is guys different type of heel, wedge heel, platform heel. So guys, some of these are in genuine leather also. So these footwears are very stylish, elegant and most popular design you are watching here in this collection. I hope you are enjoying this beautiful collection of shoes. You can wear these footwears on any jeans, trouser, pant, So guys, same shoes pattern or designs in different 3 or 4 colors you are watching in this collection. So guys, every pair is most popular and different design, that definitely you will appreciate this. And guys, comment section is also open for yourself, where you can drop your valuable comment regarding this collection. And if you want to ask something about it, you're most welcome to ask there. So guys, I have tried my best to share all beautiful designs of this beautiful collection with you. So guys, that's it for today. So care yourself, and guys, we will meet in next video.